don't always know what life has in store for you. But Stephanie and Mark knew they had something worth protecting, so they chose the award-winning Arlo home security system. Arlo's all-in-one sensors can be placed anywhere for ultimate flexibility. They have not just one, but 8 different detection functions to keep you and your home safe. The multifunctional keypad hub is your home base with one-tap direct dispatch in case of emergencies. No matter where you are, receive an alert if something unexpected happens at home. You can feel safe with Arlo's 24/7 professional monitoring. Live security experts are always ready to help. No matter what life brings, Arlo is there to protect you every step of the way. Protect your everything with the Arlo home security system.
This is Jason.
What's up?
Jason's not your regular guy. He's a 9-to-5 data quality assurance specialist, but he doesn't like to brag about his accomplishments. Jason's got a lot going for him. He's got beautiful kids and family, a car, power tools. He's got a vintage collection of original Spider-Man comic books. These things mean something to Jason, so he protects them with a Wyze home monitoring system. He puts the Wyze contact sensors on doors and windows, so he knows when they open and close. Wyze motion sensors detect unexpected movement. He's got a few extra cameras to keep an eye on things. Now Jason can see anything.
I can see everything.
When the family is out for the day, he arms his system. When he sleeps at night, he arms the outside. If someone breaks in, it sounds the alarm and sends Jason a notification. If you don't respond or don't know who has entered the house, the agent sends the police. His family is safe. His car is safe. His collection is safe. Jason gets all this for $5 a month. No long-term contracts, no sales guys, just straightforward, simple, and reliable home security for everyone. There's no more excuses not to have a security system. $5 per month from Wyze.
The Abode Essentials Kit contains everything you need to get started with the smart home security system, and it's incredibly easy to install. The Essentials Kit includes the gateway, the heart of the Abode home security system, which has a built-in siren, battery, and cellular backup, one mini door window sensor, one indoor motion sensor, one remote key fob to easily arm or disarm your system, and broad smart home technology support with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Abode RF connectivity built in, allowing you to connect all of your favorite smart home products to one central system that you control. The gateway also includes Abode's powerful automation engine, which means you can customize your home's devices according to your lifestyle and needs, and access to your Abode system through the free mobile and web apps to review activity in your home, set up customizations and rules, and keep an eye on things when you're home or away. The Abode Essentials Kit helps you get started, but is also flexible and allows you to add other products to build the smart home security system that makes sense for you and your home.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe protects your home with multiple layers of defense. Outside, cameras keep constant watch over your property, and our yard sign wards off would-be intruders. Entry sensors and smart locks are your next level of security. They guard your windows and doors. Then, inside your home, motion and glass break sensors provide even more protection. So the only people who get in your house are the people you want in your house. And it's all backed by our professional monitoring, a team of highly trained individuals who are ready to dispatch emergency responders anytime, day or night. Here's how it works. When your system is armed for home, it activates all your windows and door sensors, but keeps your motion sensors off so you can move about your house freely. When your system is armed for away, it activates your motion sensors inside your home for additional protection. In either mode, if someone does try to break in, a sensor will be tripped, which sounds the system's powerful alarm while simultaneously alerting our monitoring center. You'll immediately receive a call, And unless you provide your safe word, like this for example, police will be on their way pronto. The SimpliSafe system comes with 2 additional safeguards: a silent panic button, perfect for small businesses, and a duress pin, a code you can enter if someone is forcing you to disarm your system that secretly alerts us to send help. Every component of a SimpliSafe system is engineered with cutting-edge technology to deliver the very best whole home protection. Oh, and by the way, it's all really simple to use.
SimpliSafe on.
Meet Ring Alarm Pro, a first-of-its-kind security system that helps protect your home and your network. With a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built into one of the easiest alarm systems on the planet, it's the future of home security.
The future? I try not to think about that.
Clearly. Ring Alarm Pro is the first device ever to combine the peace of mind of home security and a Wi-Fi 6 router with awesome network security for a consistently strong signal across your home. So whether it's intruders, fires, floods, digital threats,
or how about just some better Wi-Fi around here?
yeah, that too. Ring Alarm Pro makes it simple. When was the last time you upgraded your Wi-Fi?
A few years ago.
Ring Alarm Pro's Wi-Fi 6 network supports fast speeds to more devices across your home, so all of your devices connect better than ever. And you can browse, stream, and video chat like never before, all on an Eero Wi-Fi 6 network designed to protect you from digital threats and protect your privacy.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes down?
No internet? No problem. With a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you'll have LTE backup to keep you and your Ring devices online and ready to protect. Add a Ring Power Pack and you're covered even when the power goes out. The Ring Protect Pro subscription adds another layer of protection, all backed by
24/7.
Yeah.
And award-winning
Professional monitoring. You're fast.
It's why we're here.
It's easy to install and connects to all of your Ring devices, like Ring cameras and Ring doorbells. Even Alexa.
Alexa, arm ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Ring Alarm Pro, the home protecting, Wi-Fi blanketing, digital threat fighting, peace of mind giving, always on, always ready, future of home protection.